Hello everyone, IESindia88.com review, right? So we are going to completely analyze this website. The first thing is that when I just go to Google, look for IES India, 888. I don't know where's the website here. I'm not able to find the website. I can just find, by the way, this is the first page, okay? As you can see here. You can see here scam detector, IES Khabar Pura News. I mean, same thing. They have money earning app scam. You can just read this up, right? And even though this is not IES India, this is something else. They are advertising service, right? So we are going to talk about this website has generated a good amount of attention, but reviews indicate that it may not be the trustworthy website. And why I'm saying this, let me show you, right? This is scam advisor and you can see the trust score is up to 1. That is really low. I mean, of course, this website has been reported as a possible harmful by grinding soft, right? So this is a scam. And why we can say this, here you can see this website seems popular but it's also young, right? And negative reviews were detected for this website. This website has a lot of reviews while being very young. The age of the site is very young, okay? I mean, this website created very early. The scam detector, same thing, right here. And this is a bad thing here, the trust score is very low. At least it should be above 80%. The HTTP connection, because they have created from some of the good servers, right? That could be the reason. Domain created, this is just created on 8 June, so of course we can't say it is scam, but of course it's suspicious, right? And I don't know why I'm not able to find this website on my Google here, right? Businesses associated with popular financial industry, but it's just a fact here. Okay, we try to extract some of the content from the website to see what they say about themselves. Here's the conclusion. I could also show you the website, but unfortunately the website is not showing up here. This website is poorly designed and doesn't contain elements in the metadata that could help in the online presence. Yeah, okay, that could be the reason I'm not able to do this. So let's just go to Google and I will try to enter the complete URL. Okay, it's saying not secure, right? Your connection to the server is not secure. Okay, I think I should not visit this website, right? So guys, you can just search everything here. The reviews is pretty bad. There's a no SSL certificate here. There's a too much negative feedback, high traffic but suspicious activity. I'm sure they are getting high traffic due to money earning schemes or through the social media, right? And so it is advised and recommended to, while considering any transaction or interaction with this website, verify each and everything. So in conclusion, make sure that this is not a legitimate, and this is a m.is, right? This is a different website, so don't get confused, by the way. So this is it, guys. So make sure you just, without, before visiting this website, make sure you research each and everything about this. Make sure to like this video, and this is one of the review, right? And this is a lot of reviews, right? So it's completely a fake. Don't just visit this website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.